Okay, so we've got a 2019 Nissan X-Trail automatic wagon in an ST, front wheel drive, beautiful red, got the tinted windows, reverse camera, nice set of alloy wheels, tyres are all pretty much near new, and it's on for 28,999, represents great value for money, just immaculate. Let's take a look at the interior. So we've got the multi-function steering wheel there with your cruise control, radio controls. There's your kilometres there, 28,000. It's got the big colour screen, reverse camera, climate air conditioning, automatic transmission. We've got a couple of keys. It's got the side airbags as well, but those seat trims are pretty much like new. There's the back seat there, plenty of space for the kids. I'll just show you inside the boot. It's a nice big boot. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.